guys, this is my love of my life, and this is my hero.
Video captured on multiple cameras.
Quietest style.
Quietest style, one in our country.
One celebrity move.
Yeah, but within an elevator with our vibes.
Daddy, me see that big old boy.
Welcome to today's The Monday Social Media Countdown. Whoa! No, I'm not giving you so much energy. I'm tired. I am very tired. Mama love the song, yeah. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to another The Monday Social Media Top 10 Countdown. Okay, so Berritos, this has been a journey. May I watch and leave the comments about the new format of the show. We have worked through everything and let's do the comments and make certain changes while still trying to bring the same flavor of the countdown. We have a whole heap of topics to get into, including a bit of an interview that I got with the popular streamer Kai Senat. We have a teaser with Mikal Deja Uva song with it start off, with no place like home. All of these things, and of course, the juicy scoop that you guys are here to see, because sometimes for some reason, you be living under the rock, okay? But I am here to make you feel the fresh air in the mix-up land. Let's get into this top 10.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them. Talk me out what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Valiant Stuck Me Elevator. Okay, Berritos know dancehall artist Valiant, recently, he's been touring Gaffar and book shows and all of these things. But guess what happened to him? He went into an elevator and the biggest fear of all happened. He not got stuck. Take a look.
Yeah, so we're in New York and we're stuck in an elevator. We just have all our vibes.
What are vibes, you
Yeah, we're there. You don't know. Sometimes when we see them little rocky road, there are some blessings that come and the devil will try to stop you. I lie. I lie. We never say fuck. We just hope this elevator pull you up. Yeah, but within an elevator with our vibes. Hosanna! Hey. She called me the Godfather. Hey. Rifle and wave like a bandana. Because when this a fire brigade come. God. You're rough. You know what is? You see why you're not sell out your country? Don't sell out your country no more. Jamaica land we love. Me I say.
Stick out that, don't you that?
What's up? What are you guys doing? We're up, bro. We're up. We're dancing, huh? We're dance, bro. We're dance, bro.
Oh my God. Honestly, this is one of my biggest fears, to actually go in an elevator and get stuck, because let me tell you see Jamaica, we don't really have these issues happening very often. As much as people say we are a third world country, we don't really have no one bag of elevator stuck down here. Even though some of the elevators them very crooked, the elevators them come like them have their last breath of life on them, but it's still a press and go through like they are what? Yeah, man, presser. Yeah, man, like they are saints. Thank you very much. But, in the end, Valiant was able to, escape the elevator. The police, them show up, fire department, and everything was handled. But boy, Berritos, let me know, has this ever happened to you? Sound off in the comments. Number 9, wrong song. Number 9, Boy Is Mine Part 2. Yeah, I go between French and Spanish a while ago. Please just stay with me. All right, so number 9 spot, we have a brand new single from Leela IK featuring her. Do you know how big this is? Like, I never saw this collaboration coming at all. You put Leela IK, we have the strong, like a Mama Africa type of voice. When I look at where I'm coming from, she and George Nooks have the same little, them little voice, right? And then you bring in her, her will come like the modern day Alicia Keys, who can play her piano, and her ear go over here and cover up one ear, them like she na Illuminati and them something, but her voice, it is so sultry. And you put her and Leela IK, perfection. Yes, sir. And what make it better, they are literally revamping the Brandy Monica classic. The Boy Is Mine. Remember all the song they go, you need to give it up. Yes, that classic, and this is now like He Loves Us Both. The same sort of, what you call it, like, the same concept basically, but they're just reimagining it and putting this together. So ultimately, I feel like this can become a classic. You're gonna hear it out in the streets. Definitely a good collaboration. Let me know how much you rate it out of 10. This is for the 10th anniversary. So, you know I've talked about Deja Resort already. That is where I stay whenever I'm in Montego Bay. It's a quaint spot, a nice, let me tell you, like it's very cozy, very intimate. It's right across the road from Doctor's Cave Beach. And it is all inclusive. You can go there with your friends and your family and have a nice, jolly old time. And the food is top tier. Anyway, I digress. And so what Deja is doing for the 10th anniversary is that if you book from now until the end of May, you pay only $100 per person based on double occupancy. Yes, man, a sweet deal, but you have until now to the end of May, that's the 31st of May, to book so you can qualify for this deal. And all you have to do is just use my personal code that is Berry10. Berry10 for the Berrydos them. Bomba, look at bars, that is it. Berry10 for the Berrydos them. No, just use Berry10, that alone. I just rhyme because I feel like me a DJ for Magnum Kings of dancehall, okay? Yeah, and so the travel window is from now until June 30. And so for more information, please just send me my email, info@dejaresort.com. Okay, remember the special unique code, Berry10. Ta-ta! Oh gosh.
Hi, my name is Angelita McDonald, Sales and Reservations Manager here at the Deja All-Inclusive Resort. The all-inclusive family-owned property, Jamaican of course. Of course, we're 5 minutes from the airport, free access to Doctor's Cave Beach, 100% Jamaican staff, Jamaican food, and Jamaican entertainment. So come on down and check us out, because the Jamaican begin right here, so.
Number 8, did this take down? My word, my sentence, this is not even number 1, but yeah, I'm therefore gonna put it somewhere up on the countdown because we're talking about some of the global topics as well. So where do I even begin? You know, Sean, P, Diddy, Puff, Daddy, Love, how much other name they have throughout all I'm 40 or 50 years on this earth. He is having quite a messy 2024. So I don't know if we never did keep up with all of the happenings, but you know, some months ago, you know, Cassie, definitely her court documents revealed that Sean Diddy Combs was abusing her. He was having her being involved in all kind of sexual escapades with strippers, and all of it, you know, came out there, and the public was just so like, wait, what go on? Is this really true? Some people believed her story, other people were on the fence, and you have some people who were standing by Diddy. But ultimately, this has answered and shut up all the naysayers. This elevator video, take a look.
The video, captured on multiple cameras, shows Combs assaulting his then-girlfriend, Cassie Ventura, in a hallway at a Los Angeles hotel in March 2016. A lawsuit filed by Ventura in November last year and settled the next day referenced actions that seem to match those seen in this video. There is no audio. According to the complaint, Combs became extremely intoxicated and punched Miss Ventura in the face, giving her a black eye, which according to the lawsuit, prompted Ventura to try and leave the hotel room. The surveillance video obtained by CNN begins as she enters the hallway. The complaint says as she exited, Mr. Combs awoke and began screaming at Miss Ventura. He followed her into the hallway of the hotel while yelling at her. The complaint goes on to say he grabbed her and then took glass vases in the hallway and threw them at her. In the surveillance video, Combs can be seen grabbing Ventura and throwing her to the ground. As Ventura lies on the ground, Combs then kicks her twice and attempts to drag her on the floor back to the hotel room.
Okay, oh wow. Oh wow. When you look on the video, yeah, you understand why him this settle so quickly in less than 24 hours. You remember that couple months ago? Or was it weeks ago? You remember that, right? And his team put out statements basically saying that them settling has nothing to do with him actually being a violent person and abuser and doing the things that were stipulated in the documents by Cassie. Him remove himself from it. So when my answer say no. What is he going to do? No, we see the proof. The brother was there, literally played Kirk Franklin's song on the woman's head. And if you don't know that stamp. But like, come on, man. He was allegedly drunk, you know. But him find time and energy for do all of this now, a room rammer, everything and a crazy hype on his woman's body. I should just lay down on the ground. So like, like when breadfruit drop out a tree, just plat out. So just so. Come on, man, Diddy. And so, once again, in a short period of time, he put out this video now apologizing.
It's so difficult to reflect on the darkest times in your life. Sometimes you gotta do that. I was up. I mean, I hit rock bottom. But I make no excuses. My behavior on that video is inexcusable. I take full responsibility for my actions in that video. I'm disgusted. I was disgusted then when I did it. I'm disgusted now. I went and I sought out professional help. I had to go into therapy. I'm going to rehab. Had to ask God for his mercy and grace. I'm so sorry. But I'm committed to be a better man each and every day. I'm not asking for forgiveness. I'm truly sorry.
Yeah, did it over for you. It over for you, just pack up your things and done, like, in the court of public opinion. You're gonna still have your money, and I'm sure, but, like, this is messy. Because one thing, people can kind of be on the fence when, you know, things are hearsay. But when you see a video like that, man, like, that etched in a people's brain, man, like, that was not the Dr. Love way I guess you were putting forward to the public. And so, I don't know if your apology is sincere, I don't think it's sincere, because you were basically calling the girl a liar when her claims came out some months ago. So, Burritos, let me know what you think about this. Me just know so this is an American story, because in Jamaica, we don't really have this sort of energy for people who don't abuse women. We're not speaking it on facts, okay? As a matter of fact, the more you abuse women, the more you're going to get endorsements and actual ratings out in the street. Because in no way or shape or form should you appear as soft. But Burritos, let me know what your stance is on this. Sound off below. Number 7, generational lending. Me. Student loan. Okay, so this video is from Lando D Major. He's a social media personality, and I should have put this video on the countdown, I think about a week and a half ago, but it just reached right now. So on Mother's Day, he did this video, and it was just take a look.
Mommy.
Yes.
You know say see the money when me did lend you 2 years ago, me and them could have get it back for
Alright, man. No worry
No,
yourself.
no, see, I just want to be part of the deal with
yeah? No worry
something
yourself.
want to
It's alright. It's alright.
That's something want to deal with, you know. Mommy, the money when me did lend you, right? I want to forgive me son. Because I'm going to deal with something. So I wonder if you could do something for me. Alright, no worry yourself. Mama, the money when me lend you, you can't get it back now. Forgive my daughter. She want to deal with something for her son.
The money they read, I mean, I know my dad and gone, so I know you got that the money.
That is it, Lando. Like, honestly, me love them type of content here when it involve members of the family. Because, you know, sometimes when you're a content creator, YouTuber, influencer, it's hard to really get them to support what you do because they don't really want any of them things here. But you see, once they trust you and like what you do, you can get them to really come on board and act and show off them personality like this. Like, he got him mother, him grandmother, and him great-grandmother to be a part of this video. And once again, proving that this is how Jamaican parents are. That just so they stay. If they lend you money, you're not getting it back. And if you do attempt to push, forget it. You know what you got here? You don't know the song, just comment right below the song where you got hear and the story where you got hear with it, man. And it involves the number on the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because the people who do look French in high school or primary school or college. Alright? But Berry does let me know, are you still waiting on money from your parents to this day? So down below.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
Number 6, Beanie's disciples. Me church of God. All right, now, let me just say, I appreciate all of the love and my interviews, and I might kind of figure out the whole countdown vibe, but y'all have been showing that you don't want me to do more interviews, and it is testament with the reaction and the feedback from my latest Candy Wow interviews and the Beenie Man interviews, right? And so I spoke to Beenie Man some weeks ago, and in that interview, he spoke about many different things, but the thing that literally get the public, we call it like so consumed with the spirit of the mix-up station is definitely when he revealed to me that he has 12 children. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4. Him have him own football team, him own disciples. Like Beenie Man has 12 kids. Just check it out if you don't missed it.
Right, you have Disha Gear.
Yes.
So Disha Gear. Where's the second? Yeah, you have Hakeem.
All right.
And then you have Rahim. You have Mosiah, Moses, and Marco Dean. And then you have Crystal.
Yes.
Where
we are left off now?
We're not left off nobody.
Okay.
You tell me if you name them.
All right, read 7.
Read 7. All right, you have, you say Crystal already, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a Carlin baby. Then we have Ikira.
Yes.
Which is Mosiah's sister. 2 of them come from the same mom.
Yeah.
And everything. Then I'm little baby, Zia Bear. After that now we have Anthony Davis.
All right. About 2 more we have left?
Yeah, 2 more left. Oh God.
And what many people were talking about is the fact that him don't remember him pitting them and how him remember. I asked him to name them in order from oldest to youngest. And you know, me feel like Beenie Man just start for freestyle. And I'm not too much from Beenie Man. Because at the end of the day, my mother she have 2 away, and boy, if me for ask her what my name right now, she gonna take about 10 seconds. She gonna call everybody else's name except from mine. And I 2 pitney she actually have. 2 pitney she have. And so I understand, say, when you reach a certain age and you have your kids them now, the brain, you just call one name and everybody answer to it. I just work with it as facts. But Beenie Man, my question is, did he actually have more children after the one that he had with Crystal? I think that is what the public wants to know. And with this now, do I need to go and get an interview with Elephant Man? Because here, so Elephant Man have like a whole primary school of kids. He have a whole classroom, like over 30. Somebody make that possible right now. Like anybody who know Elephant Man, try to arrange that interview for me, please and thanks. Number 5, Gong's return. Welcome to Jam Rock. All right, I have to stop right there so I can remember the rest of the words. Welcome to Jam Rock. Down with the jam plop. To pound up within a handbag. You think of your knapsack. All right, I'm just going to stop right there. So like, I didn't know the words at one point. And I big up the people them who used to actually buy songbook in front of the class, in front of the school. Like them people that, although they miss out the lyrics sometime, but you just work with it, right? All right. Anyway, so Junior Gong, that's Damian Marley, the son of Cindy Breakspear and Bob Marley. So of course I have Cindy, and look what Cindy created and gave to the world, an icon. That is Damian Junior Gong Marley, right? So recently, he took to the streets of downtown Kingston and was seen parading with somebody's baby mother. Take a look.
One celebrity move. Yeah, baby, I'm keen on cooking. One governance. One system body.
No, honestly, you know, and when you look on things like that, and you have to say, boy, yo, boy, you know, this brother. You see, when you talk about real stars and real icons, you see how the man does a walk. Like, you know, have no one bag of bodyguard, you know, have no about 15 different men who come like them who come from the US Navy. He is just treading there with him and him team where ever shoot the music video. Like, he does a walk. That is what you call real badness. Like, that is what you call like toughness. That is a different level of superstar dome. When you reach a point where you don't need to have no bag of entourage, right? And my question is, you know, it's like when you see a Marley with a woman who pregnant, it begs the question, you know, because you're like, can't remember the apple not fall too far from the, yeah man, you know, when time go come now, you hear say, I'm Mr. Gang name, I call upon the woman pregnancy because they move quick like that. So, Burritos, how would you react if you were just randomly strolling and you saw Junior Gang in your neighborhood? Well, I feel like that kind of bun up though, like a Rasta, but in your community, yeah, you can't bun up community. Jesus, PM. In your area, yeah man, you can't find a way for bun up area. Areola. No, that work. Woman have areola. That's all right. So that is bun up free. All right, let's finish this topic. Jesus. People are gonna really think something can't count, you know. Jesus, PM. Yo, 4 is this, right? Yo, somebody tell me I feel look at me like, I want 4 again. Number 4, the bow debate. All right, now get to the head out of the head. Get to the head out of the gutter. So get to the head from wherever area on the head there. All right. And so we know last week we talked about something with Italian that actually had something to do with bowing, but this time is another type of bow. You know, like how we used to have the bow tie, right? So this is now there's a trend where the girlies, they dolly them, they look good, woman them, they at them, they are wearing them hairstyle, right? So right, and then round here, so them put one big bow and the ear and the extension come through it. I'm gonna show you some videos, right? So you can see what it look like. So at the latest trend is seen, but it look like there is somebody and some people who don't like it, none tall, them not like the style, them think it too saturated and think it don't make any sense. Listen to what the social media user had to say.
So me alone I see this. Everybody, me see that big old boo.
I threw the girl on the wood.
Some of them not even look good in the boy, you know.
The girl in the blue skirt, jean skirt.
All right, and the girl got said this, you know, man, that is sure and good. But tell me, why after the girl did the video, the whole of the TikTok streets running for the woman like a Justice League and start to talk about our mouth favor baby shark? Take a look.
Everybody, me see that big old boo.
I threw the
I know everybody see that video, yeah. But just I go through the comments, them. Like, the comments, them kill me. But say, one of them, she reply and say, go suck your mother, Ray. And me and say, boom, bad. Me not test that girl like that girl are bad. Why? Then Mrs. Money say, bite of the week. Nearly must strip myself. Bite of the week. Then, that's why I tell them, say, so when you have a fault, don't pick up people's business on your head. Her teeth then scatter. She have K teeth, knock knee, teeth, and then she still have fast with people. Our friend come for defend her TikTok. Delete the friend page, you see? Fight your own battles because it's when you pick up people's strength.
Oh my God! Jesus Pim! No, if you know the people that pressure the girl so much and talk about the dechakalization of her mouth, so much so to the point where the girl had to private her page, remove the video completely to all social media jumping on her.
Huh? Come here, baby Jackilla. Quietly go. Not tell nobody say they not look good, baby. Quietly go. It's giving baby Jackilla. It's giving Captain Hook. Oink! Pirate of the Caribbean. Shush. Fashion is very subjective. Let me just shout it out for the girls and the boys and everybody in the back. If you personally don't like the boys, tread along. Everybody when we see that they both look good so far. It becomes a sore to the eye because it get oversaturated. Everybody are jump.
Like, honestly, like, yeah, man, I understand you want to, you know, say some things about the girl because you don't want to counteract her point. But you don't have to really, no, man, that did kind of look a bit unfair. So you say you have to have perfectly aligned teeth and then look something here for you to commentate. Because right about now, me that just get kicked out of the competition. Like, that is just it, right? I don't, we shouldn't have done the social media countdown. As a matter of fact, the social media countdown done right now. Me stop chat, because until me finish, get my Invisalign and my braces them. See you next. Well, I that countdown done. Bye. Hey burritos, I need your help. The channel is currently at 297,000 subscribers and I want to get to 300,000. That's a big mark. Now I know you might be wondering why you don't reach 300,000 subscribers already when you have all of this amazing content on the channel. Well, it's because y'all not doing a part. Wanna love the content, so play your part. Subscribe to the Dutty Berry Show YouTube channel today. Thank you very much in advance, all right? Yes, road to 300,000. Woo! Number 3, teachers cut. Cling. Wow, that's my sound effect for your cut. Cling. That sound like, yeah, cheers to glass. No, man, Barry. Number 3, teachers cut. Yeah, I think that worked a little better. All right, now, so if you don't live on that rock, you might not know, say, at some point in time, there is a, I'm not even going to call the name of the school, because I don't want a bad blessing contact me now. So another Cindy Pagan school reported that one of its teachers, its employed teachers, so the teacher up on the grounds at the Sydney Pagan school, she brought a chicken wrap up in her head to toe like so she come from some bad place around a St. Thomas, around a some little crevice, and she went up there with the chicken, doing one whole entire Simba, Lion King, something there, and put up the chicken on the tree and proceeded for go chop off the chicken in full view of the students. No, come on, man. When I saw this report from TVJ, me I say, I cannot relive this. It's a bird, it's a plane. Is this woman with cow sickness? She's gone mad, sick. Like, honestly, I feel like she Valiant did I sing the song about. Because she fully go up on the people in them school, go mad out. And this cannot be real life. And what? I would have word name kerfuffle or bothers, baffles me. What baffled me is that nobody intervened. No security, no teacher, no archive, no beryllium, nobody came in. The woman should just go through and all your era. That makes sense. The whole of that could have proceeded and nothing. And you know, so since then, the woman, because you know, of course, everybody depends on social media influencer now. So the woman, the headline now, I post up videos, I talk about it, I answer questions, I talk about the school and the treatment and all of these things. And I'm just like, when should I actually get the help she need?
Acting as a math teacher for 18. How have that been going? Have you been making the strides you think you'd make? I watched you the other day, took the students to the front and you were teaching them. Because, here, something. You wanted to use the square tiles to teach them whatever you were teaching them. And, boy oh boy, did the students handle you. You had to talk to a student all 7 times before they move. And boy, stand up to you when you talk to him, eh? You want to come and chat shit about me having a mental breakdown.
Number 2, Dutty Money Crew, Rvssian. Okay, so, you know, I think it was yesterday or the day before yesterday, Rvssian rolled out with his entire crew on his Dutty Money Rhythm at the Ray and Nephew Premier League. Like, me I feel wonder what going to Jamaica now, because this kind of feel like it was a Super Bowl. I don't know how many people knew about it, so it came as quite a surprise. And so I see Moy and you have Niger Boy, you know, the rest of the people them on the Dutty Money Rhythm. But I guess the 2 shockers would have been Jeffrey and L.A. Lewis, who were a part of the festivities as well. And so it seemed as if it was a good vibe. I was particularly very happy to see Niger Boy there, because you don't really see him often, because you know the youth, like, they are fine. And when him come to Jamaica, him just to him show them and the interviews. And so it was definitely a very good look. I hope so maybe Jeffrey have some behind the scenes or show when all of them link up. Hopefully that can be its own episode on his YouTube channel. But until then, I just enjoy the little clips that I have been seeing on social media. But boy, oh boy, Rvssian, just big up yourself for bringing such a vibrant and fresh energy into the dancehall space, because trust me, 2024 definitely needed it. Huh?
Come on.
Thank you. All right.
And number one goes to Candy's new boo. Whoa, 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 whoa. Should I be clapping? Yeah, woo. All right, so my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca, number one goes to Candy's new boo. No, a lot of mercy burritos now. Let me just say big one up and thank you guys for watching the official Candy Wow interview that I got with her and her then boo, Randy. I visited Arnett Gardens and had a sit down with them. And when me show up there, you know, me swear, so we there get the look of vibrant Candy where I do the muscle wine and them look of something. Yeah, but on that day, Candy was, me there to just realize to say, yo, we could have feel the tension in the atmosphere from the minute me step down there, right? So something was just going on rough in the space, and me there to just pivot in how I approach the conversation, right? And so, that's been some weeks ago, and now Candy has officially split from Randy, and now she is with a engineer, a producer, and what she calls her husband by the name of something like that, Dan. Where's my name? Vibes Dan. Take a look.
Guys, this is my love of my life, and this is my hero. But I ask you, no boy, no girl, test. And I mean, how we God say.
Yeah, and so, you know, Vibes Dan and Candy were seen kissing, yes man, on the lips. I know social media had many things to say about that, because they were like, why him with a, but you know what I say? But listen to me, listen, everybody deserves love and to each his own. If that is their situation, their partnership, make them do them thing. You worry about the mouth them and the people them tongue where you push yourself and your lip them pan, all right? If Candy loves it and him love it, make them enjoy themselves, because we all need a little bit of happiness, especially in this very stressful year. And so Randy has come out now and basically spoken about the relationship and shared that him never willing to do the kissing thing, because him now stoop to certain levels because he is not desperate.
I know everybody need love, but Candy do not need love. Candy don't need a relationship. Candy need help. I think I me did a clown out myself to pussy car. I think I me did a clown out myself. Dog have guts. Dog have guts big time. So that Candy did want all along. You see me, and me did just want to help the girl. But she did want something else. I'm not desperate, so. Susie probably would have vomit on your new tire, my friend. I tell you. You see, Candy did a look at man. And I depend that mama. You see me say, go get a man there. You saw it. I'm stressed out your fuck. Me bumbuckler.
Okay, yeah. So, you know, Candy and her new boo Vibes Dan did it on air, all kind of things, and them about the place, I talk about them love. And I'm just like, I'm tired of this cycle. Me not like it, boy. Candy, me want Candy get the help, but she have to really make this start herself. She have to want to help herself. And I think a lot of people criticize the ones who come around her. But the little bit that I have gathered from Candy is that Candy wants love and she wants help as well. And in order to help her the right way, you have to find a way to give her love or give her the idea of love so that you can help her. You know? So there's terms and conditions. So if you want Candy to move from point A to point B, you have to convince her, say you love her, for she to give the effort. That is what I am gathering. But we still a root for Candy, but I just feel like the type of assistance and help that Candy needs is not a 1 day, it's not a 1 week, it's a lifelong help, because the minute you move from her, it's going to be back from square one, and I don't know who and the team and family who can dedicate a full lifelong service to ensuring that she doesn't derail off of her path, because this girl is talented and she has something. Ah, God. So, Burritos, let me know. Are you here for this new relationship? Sound off below. Whew. All right, so now that we've done with the countdown, I have to go on through to this special interview from Kai Cenat. Big up Kai Cenat. I was able to interview him while he visited Jamaica for Jamaica Carnival, and some little stress they end up going to reach me. Can you believe that after I record the interview, one quick little interview, you know, when I never take me there, I get me just walk up with my camera, I'ma see him and him look at me. He wasn't doing any interviews, but once me open my mouth, him start to answer the question them. When I reach home, I'm so excited to drop the interview. No audio. Shame kill me. No audio. I don't know where the audio gone. Audio just disappear, run for cover, bomb a drop, save your mother, save your life, everything. I was distraught, devastated, big up my thesaurus. But what I ended up doing, I started doing some searches online, and I found that somebody was actually streaming live and it was posted to YouTube, so I was able to extrapolate the audio and sync it with the original clip. So here it is, my interview with Kai Cenat.
My name is DuttyBerry, I'm a YouTuber here. So I just want to inspire you to ask you a few questions, right? What your favorite Jamaican curse word? Favorite Jamaican curse word? Favorite Jamaican dancehall artist? Vibes Cartel. Alright, favorite Jamaican female actors, what you say about Instagram? Me love Shensia. Alright, favorite Jamaican dance, what you know for do right now? Alright, Willie Bong. Alright, yeah. Alright, yeah, man. Alright, so what you expect to do later on? Because we see you dance and enjoy yourself. Just why they enjoy, I just want girl, you know? Yeah. I want girl body for me. All type of girls. All type of girls. Alright, big up in the guys.
Oh God, yeah, and so this Sunday, you know, I also have an interview with Michael Teja. He is a Trinidadian artist who, you know, has basically took this year's carnival season by storm for his hit single, No Place Like Home. And so was definitely a good link up, a good conversation. We had that interview downtown at, I can't remember the hotel name, but the downtown close to the waterfront. But I will be posting that video this Sunday at 6:30. So you don't want to miss it. Great vibes. So all of the Trinidadian peeps, rush out under the comments. All right.
And so I'm very excited right now because I have a big, bad soca artist all the way from Trinidad and Tobago, the man with the big international song. Not only do you have DNA running the streets, right? Yeah. You also have another bad single, Runaway. Right now, if me ever get his name wrong, I tell my producer to give me a box in my face, right? So here's how I'm gonna say it now. Moment of silence. Michael Teja.
Yeah, man.
All right, sit there, man.
You could save the money.
Okay. I'm very bad with pronunciation. Well, that is it, burritos. We've come to the end of this top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment down below to subscribe, share with your friends and your family. We're still on the road to 300,000 subscribers. Okay? And I want to hit there before summer even kick in. So burritos, do the do and go over to the Dutty Berry Show YouTube channel and hit subscribe. This is the 10th anniversary of the countdown, so we need additional reason to celebrate. And also, my birthday is this Sunday. It's the 26th of May. I'm now doing a big celebration because you know your boy, I'm like them look something. I might just have one like a cake and just eat it and just call it a day. Should I do a birthday edition of the countdown? Maybe on Friday I'll think about it. Maybe I'll think about that. Do a little something now. We can vibe with it online as a little pre-birthday celebration. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. That is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow at gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender. All them talk me, how I happen on the week, yo, just tune in. Zine.